Hey guys, so I was in TK Maxx the other day and there's some really amazing bargains right now. So there's a final reduction sale and it's the yellow sticker sale and everything is reduced so much. So I'm just going to show you what I got. I found these Ralph Lauren slippers. They're actually not in my size, they're in a bigger size, but £29, and I tried them on and they actually fit quite well, so they're not big for me at all. So obviously I got these. The RRP is, I think it's like $69.99. You can't really see. Found a Tommy Hilfiger like bralette crop top boob tube thing for only £4. I then found these amazing Gymshark leggings, both in a size extra small. This one is £3. So they're high-waisted, pink and grey Gymshark leggings, £3. Like, you literally can't go wrong. And these ones, also £3, RRP £50. Amazing. And lastly, I've saved the best till last. I found a Zara dress for £2.50. So I'm hoping it actually fits me and I can squeeze in. With dresses, it's quite difficult to find the right size and fit like the top half in. So it's like a crossback design and it's this amazing, let me just stand up, black Zara dress for £2.50 and it's not damaged at all. Sorry, that's a lie, £2. So run to TK Maxx and see if you can find anything.